Sorry if you can hear my brother in the background. This is supposed to be a cat thing, kinetic sand with ears and eyes and a nose and a deformed face and a tongue and whiskers. So if you don't know what that is, I'm just clarifying. But I didn't even give you a second to look at it, so it's a pink and green cat. I mean, what can you expect? And just put a dot in the middle of his head. I don't know, I'm just being like weird. I'm destroying his eyeballs. And my voice sounds way different. I have no clue why, but I just sound different. I don't know why, because I'm not sick or anything, but maybe I just sound different because I sound different. This is actually a little bit satisfying. I thought this was gonna be like way nastier because it was just like a nasty looking cat, like green and pink. Who would have thought that these would go well together in mixing slime? It's so pretty. I kind of like it like that. I say I like it like that. Oh, it's got a bubble. And there's a big clump of kinetic sand. Well, not kinetic sand, but mad matter. Just mixing some mad matter into slime because I'm bored. It's giving it a pretty cool texture. It's like more solid than kinetic sand. It doesn't just break. It like you can clump it into like a solid thing, and if you stretch it, kind of do that a little bit more. It feels super cool, so shout out to Mad Matter, because that's pretty cool. And kinetic sand, because it's pretty similar to kinetic sand. Oh no. Yeah, I don't have my phone stand today, so sorry guys. I'm holding the camera and it's a bit shaky. Well, my phone. I need like an actual camera for this. Cause like, this sucks. Oh yeah, I moved and this is like my room now. So, yeah, quick little tour. Oh, and by the way, I heart squirrels. and chipmunks too. I don't know why I have that. And that's got a squirrel in it. It was like a cookie container, but now it's like empty. And I got a new placemat instead of a shoe thing. Because we actually took the time to find a placemat. Sorry if you saw my clothes in the back. Don't look. Now it's kind of like a butter slime. It's got a like super cool sandy texture. Well, it's not like sandy, but it's more like thicker than that. It's thicker than sand. See, this is what it started out as, and that's what it is now. This plus this equals this. Okay, so I hope you like this quick little update thingy. Hold up, I'm gonna try to fluff it up real quick. Let's see what happens. Well, I mean, not really fluff it up, but kind of get it nice and pretty and stuff. Ooh. I might color it different. What do y'all think? Ooh. Yeah, I think I'm gonna color it different. What color should I make it? Thinking. This closet door is impossible to open. Yeah, Yeah, this is my miniature little closet. 1 out of 2. Oh, I forgot I had that. Chromie. Yeah, if you saw my other video, she's gone. But she's still here. It's when they were younger. When they weren't all gray. And I named her Freckles because she had like freckles on her paws. And legs. And stuff. So, yeah. Chrome Dome. Aw, I miss you. This thing smells like grape. Why am I getting off subject? Oh my god. Don't mind that. That was an idea I had, but I failed. Also, keep in mind the slime was scented like mint before. And it still smells like it. Oh, also, I like Stranger Things. Upside Down Goo. Hawkins. Stranger Things. Yeah, it's on Netflix. Go watch it. But if you don't like jump scares and scary stuff, don't watch it. Well, some parts, because I'm scared of that stuff, but there's only some parts that I don't like that are like super scary, but other parts aren't. Actually, some of it's quite funny. Alright, so the colors. I'm out of white. Tan, pink, red, orange, yellow, green, sky blue, royal blue, violet, black, and brown. I'm gonna have to close my eyes and... green. Wait, it's already been green. We can't choose that one. Violet. Okay, let's go with violet. We just need to find it. Yellow. Violet. That was pretty easy. I think this one's open. Yep, it is. Yes, it is open. Ooh, I think I added an extra drop. Don't know if I was supposed to do that. Guys. Okay, I sound annoying, but... That's so cool. Oh, I got some on my finger. That's cool. It's not doing anything. It's so cool. Huh. Alright, now I gotta mix this loveliness. No! Oh, dang it. Oh well. I mean, Slimer's gotta get messy. It's all over my hands. Don't worry, I don't think this placemat stains, but the desk might. Ugh. So annoying. So hard to do with one hand. Hold up, I'm gonna do it and be right back. Oh no. I'm gonna try to quickly get this off of my desk so I can keep recording, because this is... No. Alright, I think I did it. I'm a little stained, but yeah, it stains for a couple days and then it goes away if it gets on your hands, but when you're playing with the slime, it shouldn't stain you. Yeah, it's non-toxic apparently, safe and non-toxic, so it's if you're wondering what I used, it's Maddie Ray's slime food coloring kit. Yeah, I think you can find her on YouTube and Instagram, so yeah, go find her and find her product and use it because it's super neat. I like it. Yeah, it comes with a bunch of colors. I took out the purple, so obviously it's there, but there's a bunch of colors. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think there's like 12 colors. And they're meant for slime, so yeah, you don't have to buy any food coloring and stuff from the store. You can just get that because that's actually meant for slime. Oh, and some of you may know this and some of you not, but I'm working on a new video for Gotcha Life since I'm kind of moved in now. I know it's like the end of summer. I'm like, dang it. Okay, I think it's not gonna get any more purple, but I'll try one more drop. But right now, it's just gray. Like complete gray. Try to hold it like that. There we go. So that way I'm not looking at the slime through my phone. Is anybody going to the Jonas Brothers concert? I mean, I kind of like 3 of their songs. I need to know more. But, oh my god, don't worry about my brother, but, Baby Rex is gonna be in the opening, so I mean, I'll go. Because I like Baby Rex and I like a couple of the Jonas Brothers songs, so I'm going. So let me know in the comments if you're going, if you're watching this long. Okay, yeah, guys, this just turned to a gray, which is still pretty, actually. I won't lie. This is actually very pretty. Doesn't look pretty to you, but, well, maybe. But it's got, like, glitter in it, so it's like a glittery gray slime. Yeah. It's super pretty. Oh, and if y'all know, I know this might sound stupid, but if any of y'all know a Pokemon spoof hack, message my Instagram if it requires no, like, apps for trying to, like, see if you're, like, I guess not a robot or something, or like one of the steps, like download 2 apps and run it for 30 seconds. Yeah, I don't really want to do that. I think it's like giving your information. So if any of y'all can find that, I'll give you a shout out in my next video, and if you have a Gotcha Life character, I'll try to make it. But if none of y'all reply by the next video, I guess I'll just not add anybody, but that's fine too. So I hope y'all enjoyed this quick, short, little update. And yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. Probably not with my voice, but with my Gotcha Life character. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!